Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Lila Web Dev. If you are watching this video, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something you see in almost every app. That is nothing but dialog messages in the Android. So what is a dialog message? First of all, let's try to understand it. A dialog is a small pop-up window that appears on the top of your app. It gives some information to the user and usually asks for a decision. For example, let's say that when you try to delete something, a dialog pops up asking, do you really want to delete this? You can click yes or no. Another example is when you close an app, sometimes a dialog asks if are you sure you want to exit. So dialogs are super common and they are one of the most used message types in Android. So let me show you what we will be going to build in this section. So what we will be building in this section. So just we will have a button that says show alert dialog. When I click on that button, a dialog window has to open. The dialog has to have an icon, a title, a message, and the two buttons saying yes or no. If I press no, the dialog just closes. If I press yes, the dialog closes and it needs to change the text of the button. Also, when the dialog is open, tapping outside should not close the dialog. So that's what we are building it today. Ready? Let's go. So let's first design the layout. Let's go to the XML file. So here we are having this snack bar. So now what I would be trying to do it is, so let's try to add another button. That is nothing but here I will be adding. This is nothing but which I would be trying to show it is a dialog button. Dialog underscore button. And here I will try to make it as center horizontal. Okay. And here I will try to use it like this. And here I can add something like text show dialog message. Okay. That's it. So now we are showing the dialog message. So now what I need to do? So I need to develop an app for this one. So let's go to the main activity. So the design part is finished. So let's go to here. So first of all, what I want to do it is, so here dialog button. So let's try to take the dialog button, lay it in it where dialog button is equal so it is of type button. Okay, let's try to capture this one. So here I can use dialog button is equal to find view by id of r.id dot button. Is it me? Sorry, dialog underscore button. I don't know why this button is not coming. So fine. So I hope that this is the only name which I have given. Yeah, dialog underscore button. So fine, we got the button. So now what I need to do here. So this is the place where I need to do it. Dialog button dot set on click listener. So here I need to show the alert to dialog. So here I will try to create a method show alert dialog. That's it. And we'll try to create this function. Okay. So in this code I will try to write everything. So here I will write function show alert dialog. So here I would be trying to create an alert dialog. So now before doing that one, let's try to capture the icon. So here let's go to our here. I want to download this one. Okay, let's try to download this source. So here I want to paste it. Okay, I already downloaded. Warning. Okay, let's go into our downloads. So here I will be copying this warning and let's go to our Android Studio and here I would try to paste it. Not pasting it or not. Let's copy this one, copy. Let's go to the Android and here I would try to paste it. Yeah. So let's open this one and I want to change it to color red. So here I can use something like hash 0000. Okay, I kept it as red color. So now here, so show alert dialog. So now I have added this one. So now let's try to do it. Here I will be creating an alert dialog. So val alert dialog is equal to, so here I can use the alert dialog, this one, alert dialog, this one dot builder. So dot builder, and here you need to provide the this, create the builder object. So I have created the builder object. Fine. Now let's customize this one. So alert dialog dot set title. I will try to set the title of change. Okay, and again, and again I can use the set message. I can use the set message. So I can use something like, do you want to change the text of the button? Do you want to, sorry, to change the text of the button? So here I am asking the question. Then I want to set the icon for this one. That is nothing but r dot drawable dot warning. So I will try to add this one. And again I want to make it as a dot set cancelable to false, so that outside clicking, so it will not do it. So these are the things which I want to try to add it. So now here set title means it will set the dialog title. Set message, it will try to set the dialog message. Set icon means it will add the warning, and set cancel prevents closing by clicking outside. So now let's add the no and yes button. So first one is the negative button. Dot set negative button. Okay, so the negative button should show the name as no, and here you will be having the listener. So in this listener you will get the dialog interface and also the which, okay, so which it has been clicked, the position. So now here we will write the negative button means, so just we will close the dialog. So that is nothing but alert dialog dot cancel. Sorry, so here alert dialog, not dialog interface. Dialog interface dot cancel. Okay, that's it. So now here I can set the positive button, and here you can use the yes, and here I will get same thing, dialog interface comma which, and here what I want to write it is, so here I can use dialog button. So we have the dialog button, right? Dialog button dot text is equal to alert dialog is clicked, something message I want to change it. That's it. So now we have changed the message. So what it is, error it is showing warning, and the argument should be moved out of parenthesis. So let's try to check it. Here looking everything is fine. Let's see how it will look like. So I am running the code. Okay, I am running the code. It will take some time. Let it run. So after complete creation of this one, so what we need to do it is, so here we need to show it alert dialog dot create, and last we need to show it. Okay, so let's try to recheck the output again. So we'll try to see it. So here let's try to click on this toast message. It is working as usual, and here this one is also working as usual, and I can click on this close button. And if I click on this dialog, so now here you will be able to see, do you want to change the text of the button? If I click on this no, automatically gone. So here if I click on this one again, so here you will be able to see, if I click on this S, automatically alert dialog is clicked, the button has been changed. So this is how you will be implementing the alert dialog. Okay, so this is the major basic thing which we will be implementing the alert dialog. That's it guys about this one. So now what we have learned, so we have created and customized an alert dialog in Android using the Kotlin. We have added a title, simple title we have added it, and as message we have set it, icon we have set, and also we have set the positive and negative buttons also. Okay, and this is super useful for confirmation, warnings, and user decisions in your app. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.